Welcome to another video of Avinya, and in this video we shall be looking at the concepts that we will be using in the fading LED. Now the first concept is that of a variable. So variables are one of the most important concepts that we will be using in this particular project and in generally every other project. So in coding, variable means that it's like a box or a container which holds a particular value, right? Like you can see these book shelves or the normal shelves, they hold a particular object like paintings or books or boxes, containers, blocks, and other things. So similarly, variables in coding are used to hold values. So you give it a name and then you give it a value as well. Something very, very similar to this shelf that you're looking over here. A few examples are like the password, right? So whenever you log into your mail or your smartphone, we use the password to log in. So different people use different passwords, but the variable called as password or the container where it stores that value is the same. Now variables can hold various types of data in it, and these types are called as data types. Just like how this shelf can hold books, toys, other big boxes, paintings, and many things. Similarly, a variable can hold many data types. So they are integers. Generally, we write int all in small. Decimals, we write them as float. And the third type of data is strings. They are nothing but your alphabets, like for example, Avinya. Alphanumeric, which is Avinya 1, 2, 3, and alphanumeric including the special characters as well. For example, you can say, Avinya edutech at the rate of 1, 2, 3. So these are the data types that a variable can hold. So the second concept that we will be using is that of conditionals. So here's a quick real life example where, have you ever wondered like how your phone, your smartphone opens up when you enter the correct password? So say the password, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is your password. That is being stored in a variable called as password. Now when the user enters the correct password, that is, first it will check if the password is correct, then it unlocks the phone. Right? So over here, if you notice that we are using a conditional statement here, which is the if statement. So conditionals are nothing but they check for a particular condition, and only if it is true, then it performs a particular task. Like over here, it checks if the password that is entered is correct, and only if it is correct, then it unlocks the phone. So one of the most common type of conditional we will use is the if statement. Of course, there are many other conditionals which we will learn in the future, but for the fading light LED, we will be using the if statement. So the next concept that we are going to learn are the operators. Now, there are many kinds of operators for this particular project. We will be basically looking at arithmetic operators. They're just like math. Addition, it's the plus sign, it adds two numbers. Subtraction, it's the minus sign, it subtracts two numbers. Multiplication, in coding, we use the star sign to multiply two numbers. Division, which is nothing but slash sign, that is, it divides two numbers. And the modulus, which gives the remainder, that is the percentage sign. Now, the modulus is like if I say 3 modulus 2. So when I divide 3 by 2, what is the remainder? It's 1. So if I write 3 percentage 2, then it will give me the result of 1, which is the remainder. So these are all the arithmetic operators. We will be using the addition and subtraction in our fading LED project. Let's move on to logical operators. Now we have two kinds of logical operators. One is the AND state or the AND operator, and the other one is the OR operator. Now AND operator is used when we want to combine two or more conditions. Now say, I'm giving a condition like if, okay, generally they're used for the if conditional. If there is, say, Hershey's chocolate and, Cornetto ice cream, only then buy. Now over here I have two conditions and I'm pairing them up or I'm combining them. Now, the or statement is used when either one of it can be true. So, if I have to say, if there is Hershey's chocolate or the Cornetto ice cream, then buy it. So, that means that I have two conditions. Even if one of it is true, it goes ahead and performs the task. So, these are some of the operators that you will be using in this project.